All right, today I'm going to be testing out Cascade Platinum Dishwasher Pods. Now, the test that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to see if it can clean out this bowl that has tomato sauce and cheese, that's pepperoni, cheese, that's stuck to the sides of it, as well as cheese, the pepperoni cheese that is also stuck on to the fork. So I have those right here. I'm gonna see if they can get clean. And I also have a pot, which I've been soaking, but I have not scrubbed. As you can see, there is cheese stuck to the bottom of that. I'm gonna see if this Cascade right here can clean the cheese off of the pot and the bowl right here, and the fork. Now the forks are really hard to get cheese off of. Normally when I try to get the cheese off in the dishwasher, but I'm gonna be using the Cascade Platinum as well as heavy duty mode. So let me go ahead and put these in. So I'm gonna put the bowl, right here on the top shelf. All right, put the rest of the bowls up here. I see I have a full load up here going on right here, cups, glasses, etc., in there. And then I'm gonna take the fork and I'm gonna put the fork down where the other utensils go. So they're down there. As you can see on the bottom shelf, there are a lot of plates, pots, and I have a strainer right there, a colander, whatever you wanna call it, there. So it's a full load on the bottom. And then I'm gonna take the cheese and let's take a little closer look at the cheese. You see it's stuck on there, pretty stuck on there. I cooked it a little bit and it just stuck to the bottom of the pot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place this in here, and I'm gonna put this on the bottom right here, so it should get maximum force from the jet sprays in there. So let me go ahead and close this up, and I have a pod right here in there already. You see this Cascade Platinum? All right, so it's already one in here. I'm gonna take this up, and then my selection that I'm gonna use is I'm gonna turn it on, and then I'm gonna actually do the heavy. All right, I'm gonna do the heavy, and then I'm going to do the sanitize. I want the dishes to be sanitized and extra dry, not necessary. All right, so I'm gonna do that, the heavy and the sanitize option on there. And let's go ahead and see what happens, all right? After 2 hours, 45 minutes. All right, let's see. Didn't press this, press the start. Let's see what happens. All right, so it's done, and so I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna see what the results are. So I'm opening it up, time is done, it just went off. Now let's check and see what happened. We're gonna start off with the bowl. Remember the bowl? Well, let's see what happened. And it came clean. The cheese is gone. There is nothing stuck to the inside of that whatsoever, which is great. Now let's go ahead and check on the fork, okay? So we're gonna come over here, and you remember that fork? Now let's look at the fork. It is spotless right there. There's no cheese gunk left on there whatsoever. It's kind of hot because it was just in there. The heat was on to dry the dishes. There's nothing on this fork, which is pretty remarkable. Now, the big test is coming down to the pot. Now, I'm gonna check on this pot. Now, let's look at that. All the cheese is gone, all right? So all of the cheese is gone right there. There's a little bit of water coming down there and didn't fully dry, but I am thoroughly impressed with the Cascade Platinum right here. With the heavy wash, I was able to get all of that gunky cheese that was on there. And the rest of the dishes in here, they are really clean. They weren't as grimy as the pot, the fork, and the bowl. So it's expected for those to be clean, but I'm really impressed with what happened. So that was a Cascade Platinum Dishwasher Pod on heavy setting in my dishwasher. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.